set it going.
So Sisko is essentially the, I wouldn't say finished product for training, but we have done a lot. So all of those, Sisko, focus. Good boy, wait. All of those foundations that you've seen, he's got them acquired pretty well. Wait. Wait. So he's fairly robust, even if I talk about other things, don't look at him. Sometimes he breaks, you know, he's a dog. Wait. So I do a lot of training where I might go out of view for a moment, back into view, do strange things. None of them means break your weight, so that he knows that, that he's doing the right thing. Once you have that foundation, as the two groups showed, you can actually start to do quite a lot with it. Touch. Excuse me. So that's just a type of targeting. Touching. Once you have a dog who waits, you can teach them all sorts of things. Wait. Wait. Let's go. Sit. Good boy. And so, as Jen was saying about sort of variable reward schedules, I don't reward him every time because he knows how to do it. Can I borrow the target? The red one. I have that. So sort of the goal of target training is that you can do send away things with it. So if I'm sort of wandering around like this, la la la, let's go with, and go target. It becomes a point where you can send a dog away, and actually that then makes a more robust stay or away. Now to me, a wait means anticipate something is going to happen. A stay means do not budge until I come back to you. So to me that's a big difference. So if I say wait, I might release him from over there. If I say stay, he now can't move until I'm down with him with my hand in his collar. And that's then the command for, you know, for sort of other things. That's really useful in the real world of having a dog. Because for example, Sisko, come over here. Sit. Sit. Wait. You can start to turn it into a stop command, for example. Okay? Okay. Stop. So that's a distance stop, which you can do in all directions, and which I have actually done when he's chased a squirrel, and it has worked. Because it's so conditioned now, when he yells stop, he drops to the ground, but it was trained using a target somewhere halfway to give him a little visual, and I think that's what both these groups have learnt about learning. It is very much about confidence and clarity, and any time you can get high confidence and high clarity, actually learners, be they dogs or students, are usually very keen to engage in the learning process and will start to come up with their own ideas. Sisko. Now coming up with own ideas is not something dogs are known for, but is a game that I play. Novelty game. So the novelty game is called Show Me a Trick, where the dog has to think of something to do. So say, Sisko, show me a trick. Oh, that's a nice trick. Okay, a different trick. Different trick. Oh, wow. Different trick. Oh, that's a cute one. We reward that one. Lazy. Different trick. Different trick. Oh, nothing. Can you do a different trick? You've already done that one. Different trick. Different. Okay, I'll show you one. Ready? Steady. Good boy. So when he starts to run out of ideas, I give him a new idea and let him run with that for a bit. What happens is over time he adds those new ideas to his arsenal. He also, you notice we used a lot of equipment with the other dogs. Because he's used to equipment of varying types, he's never played with this, he does know the button. If I put things out, he's quite likely to interact with it and see, okay, how will I get a reward by using this activity? So Sisko, Gibby, focus, show me a trick. Show me a trick with a thing. So they're like, okay, well, I suppose I can get into it. So he's interpreted it as a target. He's generalised, to use the term, target. What's that one? Button? You press the button? Good boy. So because he's used to equipment, he can sort of start to work with it. Once they're used to equipment, you can use yourself as equipment, but you do have to teach the outside equipment first. So for example, leap. Again, leap. Oh, cheeky. Do it the other way. Good boy. So you can start to use the physical body as an equipment. And our latest one that we've been working on, Isabel likes, but no guarantee it will work. I did change my shoes specifically for this. Sisko. Sisko. Focus. It's not open to the public here. Thank you. Good. I did tell Julie I'd put a sign on the door and everything. Right. And on and together. And there we go. This is our latest. Okay, out. Good. So it just goes to show how you can take that training further and further when you have those basics. He is a very anxious and a very excitable dog. But you see how focused he is on this exercise. He actually comes across as calm because he's going, okay, what is it I do? He also trusts that you're not going to approach him. He's actually scared of people, though he knows quite a few of you now, but he's scared of people, but he trusts you're not going to approach him in there, so he feels he can do his work without being interrupted, without being intimidated. There we go, that was Sisko. You a good boy?
That's phenomenal.
You do a speak? Sisko. Speak! What? Speak! What? Speak! Yes, good boy. Wow. So all of that learning theory